Daily inspection of important plants is a good habit for these biodiversity gardeners, because so many species are being maintained, uh, and many of them are new species to, undomesticated species that are getting domesticated, you can say. So round the year observation and all plays an important role. And this one is Diplesia mesculentum. It's one of the edible fern actually. The location is not that good, so it hasn't grown to the extent that it's supposed to. But two new, one I planted 1 year there, and then it has become two. A third one also is emerging, so it grows from the underground. New frond also came there. And that is our chicken coop. Some 20 hens we have kept for eggs and the manure both. Mainly the egg quality is determined by the food that you are giving to the hens, because whatever they eat, that is going to become egg. So for my hens, we are giving them whole grains and all, and then some amount of greens, because the green weeds and all they like to eat, and it produces more red color in the eggs. In this biodiversity garden is I try to do zero input, so that money doesn't have to be spent much. This is a that elephant foot yam that I showed last week. It's been stinking to high heaven, and it's almost impossible to sleep also in my room, because the breeze is coming into the room for about a week. Dried flower. And then one of the cane fairy also started sprouting with the rains. This one. It's a very nice herb, Campharia galangal. After the first summer shower, it starts sprouting. Then when the end of the season, it dries up and the root will remain. And this is very long lasting. These are about 8-9 years old, and they're very hardy also. If you step on it also, it doesn't die. And I have built many water bodies in the pond, and that tank is one of them. That cement thing what you see there, that one. Because they provide ambience, and aquatic plants and all can be grown. You see, chilies. So in between the biodiversity garden plants, some vegetable patches also there to grow some vegetables for our requirement, and some trees also there, sapota, orchard and all. So in the farm design, one row of shrubs and all is there, at that's one border. Our whole farm is divided into 3 or 4 parts, and then green hedge has been planted between those parts, so that ambience can be maintained. Oh, this Nephrolepis sword fern is doing well in rain-fed conditions. And all various species of plants are planted all over the place. So I never allow anyone inside here because they'll step on things. Most of the plants are anyway unfamiliar to everybody. So one section of the farm I have shown.